Project One started from humble beginnings. We're three friends with one heart and one purpose. Each of us have different stories, different reasons, but we have the one goal. I personally love to help people. I'm a sucker for heartbreaking situations. I always wanted to help, but I never did. I always wanted to be part of a mission trip, but I never had the courage to do it. But now, this is what I'm called to do. This is what I want to do. This is my desire, to give back to the ones in need.
Maradyaw na buntag sa ato tanan. So, nandito kami ngayon kasama ng Project One para mag-conduct ng isang misyon para sa ato barangay. Ang ato mayor, si Mayor Yayang Rosilyon, sanan ako, sanan Project ni Juan, nagkasinabot na ang amo pilion na barangay is ang Barangay Anahawan. So palakpakan nato, no?
Why Anahawan? Anahawan came across us when we came to Siargao in June. We came to help donate to an orphanage. The day before we got there, we were told the kids were all gone. So we had a donation box ready to go, but no one to give to. But when God closes a door, He opens up a window, bigger than what we expected it to be as well.
Maraming gustong gawin dito sa aming barangay. Ako si Rosbelt Lim, Barangay Captain of Anahawan, General Surigao del Norte. Kailangan kasi namin ng yung sa water system. Kailangan namin na yung galing sa bundok mapunta dito sa barangay namin para hindi kami masyado mahirapan sa ng inumin namin. Number one problem talaga dito sa amin, yung sa health talaga, sir. Kasi alam niya natin na malayo kami sa sa hospital. So, kailangan talaga namin ng may mga dyan, gamot sa health center. May health center naman kami pero kulang talaga ang gamot.
So, hello mga bata! Kuman, kasama na Nature Kids, dyan ila program sa with Project One, so dyan ila mga toys. Kinahanglan, magdayaan ay kamo na ato mga basura kuman na limpios na tas di ba naka-segregate na, no? Nag-practice man kita ng segregation. So para kita maka-avail, no, makakuha ng mga duwaan, gusto namo na dili na kung basta na naman kita maghatag, gusto namo na makatunan, no?
Ang pag-segregate ng basura nato, grabe ka dito ka importante. Kay kung ato ra dyon ilabog din pareha din sa isla, moabot gud ang panahon na ang basura mas hamok pa kaysa sa isda.
Ang ato goal is makatunan, no? Makakatun ka mo paano maprotektahan ang ijo barangay.
Tapos, hindi talaga ko mag-start kay gusto mas ba ko din eh. Tapos, mananggiti ako, mananggot ako, mangispat, magdaro, magtanom kalibre. Amo dyan ako para mabuhay lang ng pamilya. Gusto ko sana na tagaan ko din ng dati ng mga tambay, gamot. Kaya kadisyon itubong-tubong na. Isa na ako maghangin. Yan na ang tagpuan na. Gusto na ako na mahindi maminta tambay din eh. Mahimo yan ako.
Now daw, boss.
So, tibuo na itong anakuha ni Marlo na bato sa nananakuha ni Cristel na bato. Bilanga, Cristel, bilasa na. Nagmana dito ka kuluha.
Ako si Mrs. Mary Angie Lim, guro ako ng Anahawan Elementary School. 6 na taon na akong nagtuturo dito sa school na to at ang tinuturuan ko ay grade 1 at grade 2. Kombinasyon yung hawak kong klase.
Grade 1, anato ko man klase, mathematics. Ano yan to klase ko man? Mathematics! Anato tuon na kamo at pila ka buo kuya mo? 5! Ang taglima ka kuya mo kung ato pikiton pila tanan? 10!
Kasi dito nga dahil malayo kami, so mas maganda sana na makasabay kami sa hindi yung sa computer natin ngayon kasi hindi naman talaga natin maiwasan na yung sa ibang lugar na sila dito talaga wala pa kaming ganyan. So siguro kailangan una doon bago mapatupad yung ganung pangangailangan siguro energy yung electric energy yung kailangan talaga dito para kahit papaano makasabay naman kami sa pag natin, bansa natin.
Good morning, visitors!
Good morning!
Okay, so yan na.
Kuya ko. Kita pin, ano?
Pare.
Ako bilang isang guro kasi humahawak ako ng grade 1 at saka grade 2. Then I'm focusing reading. So pag dating ng end school year, yung karaniwang problema ko talaga yung hindi makakapagbasa. Then binavalidate ko yung problem, absences talaga. Mag-home visitation kami. Problema sa financial kasi mahirap pag tiningnan mo naman yung pamumuhay nila.
Man, masalo mo dito sa loud.
Saya makakuha kau. Saya dili sa.
Siguro mahirapan kahit sa pagkain. Yung nanay nila pumupunta sa bukid, sumasama, walang maiiwan. Kaya ganun ang problema. Yung minsan din mga parents nila na sa ibang lugar, kaya walang nag-alaga sa kanila.
We were overwhelmed. We saw the needs of the people We felt the heart for the people and the desire to help. We want to give back. We want to help this community, give them the power, give them the livelihood, give them better education, access to basic needs, medical attention, give them a hope, a future, and give the kids something to smile about. So what we're doing at the moment is we're donating the plastics that they collected from the island in exchange for the toys that we've given to them to help them learn about the ecosystem and about the rubbish issues around the island.
Hi, my name is Jai and I'm from Cebu. I'm also one of the volunteers for Project One. And we're here at Anahawan Island. The kids are actually gathering trash and that's in exchange for toys.
So today we experienced giving out with the kids the toys and the joy that it brings to their hearts, and it kind of just melts your heart to see how they appreciate something really small. And to go and see houses with a family eating together, that goes to the very core of, you know, why family is important to all of us. And it doesn't matter what you have, what you don't have, the essence of being one is something that really touches your heart. We're not here just to share stories. We're here to plant a seed and help a community. We want to inspire others who have never thought of doing something to help, but hesitated or thought they can't. You can make a difference to someone's life. It's not about how big or small your contribution is, but as long as you have in your heart the longing that you want to help, then you've made the effort and you've done your part. You've made an impact in the person's life or in the community. At the end of the day, we don't want to do this for us. There's nothing for us to gain from it, but it gives us fulfillment. It allows us to plant a seed of hope, of faith, and we will give all the glory back to Him.
Thank you.